So here we are at the beginning of 2019, and to make sure it's everything you want it to be and more, I'm going to share with you two of our most popular downloads here at Agent Inner Circle that agents just like you implement into their business to make sure 2019 is everything you want it to be and more. Hey, it's Michael Creasy here, the Executive Editor with Agent Inner Circle from agentinnercircle.com. And on behalf of our CEO, Alex Camilio, and the rest of the team here at Agent Inner Circle, happy 2019. And to make sure it's everything you want it to be and more, I'm going to share with you two downloads. And I know you're going to like them. And speaking of like, please like this video, leave a comment below, and feel free to share it. So the first download is a marketing calendar that will take you through the entire year. Now I'll pull it up here on the screen, and as you can see on the left hand side we have it broken down into categories. Starts off with birthdays, holidays, direct mail, newsletter. Oh my gosh, if you're not using a newsletter, check out serviceforlife.com. It is a powerful tool that hundreds of agents are using to keep in contact with their clients and generate leads. You'll also know online advertising, radio, TV, marketing. As I said, it's broken down into categories. You choose what category works best for you. Take a look at what you did in 2018. Where were the majority of your leads coming from? And then based on that, populate this calendar for the entire year. So now at your fingertips, you'll know month per month what you need to do, and you can start planning in advance so you don't miss those opportunities. The second download is a business plan. And oh my gosh, maybe you want to do $150,000 this year. Well, is that net or is it gross? Well, if it's net, we need to calculate the gross. What are your total expenses that you incur over the course of the year? Translate that into how many deals you have to do based on commission. Well, this download is a success blueprint that will walk you through step by step what you need to do to hit your income goal for 2019. So here are two of our most popular downloads. I know you're going to enjoy them, but more importantly, they'll have a direct impact on making 2019 everything you want it to be and more. So once again, Michael Creasy here, Executive Editor with Agent Inner Circle from agentinnercircle.com. Hope you liked this video, and as I mentioned, please like, share, and leave a comment below. And I know 2019 will be everything you want it to be and so much more.